There are over 50 million creators in the world. Is it still worth it to be a creator? In this video, we're going to talk about the creator economy. What is it? How much money are creators making? And is the space saturated? If you're new here, my name is Kenim, and you're watching Brand Video Pro. Like and follow, subscribe, all of that, and let's get into the video. So what is the creator economy? You know, the community of online content creators that are making a killing, making a lot of money. So let's break down how much money people are actually making. So as I said, there are 50 million creators in the world, and over 1 million of them are making 6 figures. Thousands of them are making 7 figures, and millions are making anywhere between $100 to $100,000 a year. And then when it comes to brand sponsorships, we're talking about Forbes has estimated that the space will grow to a $15 billion industry by 2022. So what does this mean? And is the space saturated? Well, the answer is simple. Absolutely not. It's not saturated, because think about it. There's 7 billion people in the world. And I believe 3 billion of them are online. So there are more people every day coming online. So 50 million out of 3 billion, that's not a lot. That's not a lot of creators. But what it means is that we're going to see a lot of segmentation. And people want to hear content and watch content from people that look like them or people that they relate well to. Maybe my delivery is more appealing to you. Maybe you don't want to hear my delivery. Maybe you'd rather hear someone else give the delivery. So what we're seeing is that there are a lot of different options going on. Like people want to see diversity in the content that they're making. People want to hear from different perspectives. And so there's such a big space and such a big opportunity, and the space is only going to grow exponentially. So is it too late to become a creator? Absolutely not. Right now is the time to get involved and start creating content, if that is what you're called to do. Not everyone is a creator. Not everyone is supposed to be in front of the camera. And also, even if you're too shy to be in front of the camera, the way that I started out, I was just using my voice, and I was shy to use my voice online, but I did it, and my videos were getting millions of views just making like analysis videos on Game of Thrones. So you don't need to be in front of the camera to be online. You can make content. With just your voice, and you can not only get a lot of views, but you can also make a lot of money doing that. All right, so how are these creators making so much money? So the first obvious way that they're making money is advertising revenue share. So when you see something like YouTube, and I believe TikTok might have started doing this as well, but when creators make content and then their ads that play on their videos, they get a percentage of those ad revenue. So Google AdSense is a great way to make money. And this is it's actually funny enough, people think that that's the way people make the bulk of their money. And in truth, it's not. It's a small, if you set up a proper online business, and if you are positioning yourself as a proper online content creator, Google AdSense is not a lot of your money. So how else are people making money? And obviously that depends on your niche too, and I'll break that down in a minute. But different niches make different amounts. Like if you are a finance channel, chances are your CPM, that's cost per 1,000 views, you're going to be making like maybe $30, $15, $16 per 1,000 views. So you're going to make a lot more money than someone that's making an entertainment YouTube channel. So obviously AdSense, some people are making a killing on AdSense depending on their niche. Other people are just not. So, but in most cases, AdSense is not the bulk of the money that people are making online. So what are other ways that people are making money? Some obvious ones include sponsorship content. So when brands sponsor content. Another one, product placement. Tipping. So when people do lives, there's an opportunity for people to pay you, give you tips, give you money. Then obviously paid subscription. So a lot of people have OnlyFans. That's a very well-known one. OnlyFans. There's Patreon. So OnlyFans is almost like, a little bit more risque. in terms of its branding, but Patreon is a way that people have been making monthly subscriptions from their subscribers, giving PG content consistently, and people pay them on a monthly basis. So Patreon. And then also YouTube has a subscription option where you can make money, but I believe YouTube will take a percentage of those sales too. Then digital content sales. So people create content and they sell. So those are like online courses, movies, etc. So these are other ways that people make it. Then merchandise. Merch is a big one. People make a lot of money from merch. Then shout outs, live and virtual events. So when you host a live event, sometimes people have to pay to pay per view. VIP meetups, fan clubs. So there's so many ways that people are making money online. And to be honest, there are as many ways as you can invent. If you can invent a way to make money, you can make money. But the idea when it comes to being a content creator is when there's more visibility on you and your brand, you have a bigger chance of attracting a wider audience and potentially attracting more people to buy into whatever it is that you're selling. So the idea of 1,000 true fans is actually really important, and it's actually still very effective. You do not need millions and millions of subscribers to make millions of dollars. Like if you sell an online course, that's $1,000, and you have 1,000 people that buy into your online course, that's $1 million, right? So you just have to think about it this way. You don't have to be extremely popular to make a lot of money. You can actually be a very small channel and make a killing being online. So is the space saturated? Absolutely not. So there you have it. I hope that answered your question about what is the creator economy and whether the space is saturated. Please, if you have any questions, leave them below, and see you in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all of that, and see you in the next one. Peace.